Hello, Mitakiapi. Today we're going to work on our creating a calendar for the month of December. Where we're going to do that is in Microsoft Excel, and this is the calendar we will be creating. From review, we're going to use the Lakota days of the week, and then this month is split into two moons, two Lakota months. So one will be Wanietui, as you can see here. And then our other month starts on our full moon starts on December 22nd, Wanichoka Wi. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like when it is finished. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to open a new Excel blank workbook. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to View. We're going to press Page Break Preview, and then we're going to press Normal. What that does is you see this dotted line here. What that means is your print area. That's the area that is going to print. So we have those dotted lines, and this will be the first page. If we go over here, that's a second page of printing. So now we know where our boundary is, basically. All right, click back on your home ribbon. The next thing we need to do is we are going to go to Page Layout, Orientation, and we're going to make it landscape. What it's going to do is it's going to flip it sideways to look more like a calendar. Alright, our next thing we're going to do is we need to start A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way to G. There are 7 days of the week, so we need 7 columns. Okay. And then we are going to move those over a little bit more so I can get to my boundary. So this is going to be at about 15. We could work within 15. If not, maybe we push in our luck. So what am I at here? I am at 1578, and I'm right along the boundary. So that could work. The other thing we need to do is we need to do that with our rows. So we're going to start at 4. Let's start at 7. Yeah, we'll start at 7. Let's go to 4. How about 5? Yeah, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is what we're going to do, and then we're going to make this a little bit wider as well. So whenever they're all highlighted, and you move one with your slider, it's all going to move all of your rows to be the same, to be even. Oh, we're getting away with a lot here. Okay, that's as far as I can go. Right there. That'll take me right to the boundary. What is that? That is 72.60. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to add our days of the week. So if we were doing it with the Gregorian calendar, we could put in Sunday, and then we could just drag over, and that'll fill in the rest of the week. But we are not doing that. All right. Maybe someday Excel will write in Lakota. So we are going to do it in Lakota. So you're going to need your Lakota keyboard for this. Ambetu Wakhan is Sunday, the sacred day. Ambetu is day, Wakhan is sacred. Ambetu Tchokahe is Monday. Tchokahe means first. Ambetu, of course, is day. And then it's going to go to Ambetu Numpa, which is the second day, Tuesday. Ambetu Yamani, which is the third day, Wednesday. Ambetu Dopa, which is the fourth day, Thursday. Ambetu Zapta, which is Friday, the fifth day. And then the tricky one, Owanka Yu Ja Ja Bi, which is the wash day. Okay. Cool. Alright, our next thing we're going to do is we have the days of the week, so we're going to bold them. So click in the middle. Again, if you click on the side right here, it's going to make all of them Ambetu Wakhan. and we don't want to do that, so we're going to go back, and you got to grab in the middle of the cell, and then we are going to go and click bold, and then we're going to center those. Okay. All right. The next part is, this is Saturday. December starts on a Saturday. So we are going to go back to our Lakota keyboard, and we are going to put in Waniatuwi 1. Okay. And then we are going to go and start Waniatuwi over here and click 2. But the cool thing about this is, well, first let's center that. We're going to center that on the bottom. We center that there. If we grab this corner, now it's going to hold Waniatuwi and it's going to count for us. That's what's cool about Excel. So we don't have to type each and every single one of them. So move down here. Waniatuwi. Start with 9 on that Sunday. Okay, I'm going to click off because I want to center it. And then I drag again and I go all the way to Saturday. Okay, Waniatuwi. And I'm going to start with 16 on this one. But Wanichokawi starts on Saturday, so we're only going to take this one. First we need to center it. We are only going to take this one to Friday. Friday right there. Okay, so the next moon starts on the 22nd on a Saturday. So what that moon is called is Wanichokawi, which is like the midwinter moon. And then it starts on the 22nd. Click off, click back on, and center it. It's centered. Okay, and then that moon continues on here, and I centered it, and then again drag your corner and it will put in all the rest of it with the numbers. So again, Wanichokawi, we are on the 30th, which is my brother's birthday, and then just drag till right there, and we have our days in with our calendar.